How to register for Gulf Bank online banking. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. So in today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can register for Gulf Bank's online banking account. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to register for Gulf Bank online banking, what you need to do is first of all just open up your browser, and then you can just come to this URL, which I'll make sure to drop a link, which is e-gulfbank.com. Or else what you could do is in the search box you can just go ahead and then type in Gulf Bank, and when you type in Gulf Bank you'll see the first result over here. Or you can also go to egulfbank.com. You can just go to that specific URL. Once you go to that URL, on the top right hand side you'll see the login button. So just click on the login option, and you can say personal online banking, corporate online banking. In this case, I'm assuming most of you want to log in with a personal online banking account, so just click on that option. So basically now when you go to the new page, it will leave you with a couple of other information, which means that first of all, if you already do have an online banking account, you can simply enter your username and the password and then sign into your Gulf Bank online account respectively. But if you don't have an account, we're going to move on to the process of signing up. So for that, we're going to wait until this page has loaded up. So when you go to the new website, it will take you to a page where you can simply go ahead and then sign up for a new account using your account number and so on. And then after that, you should be able to go ahead and then fill in the information and sign up for a new account respectively. That's all it takes to go ahead and then simply enroll for online banking on the Gulf Bank. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.